Good morning, all of you. I hope you all must have finished your literature work in your fair copies, all the chapters. Okay,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
all of you, are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
All the four,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, all the four chapters.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what about your grammar, English language work? All the exercises are filled in your books. If is there anything that you have not done, please ask in the class group so that those who have not yet completed their work, you can complete your work. All right, you can ask for help uh, on the groups so that those students who have completed their work they can send to you. But obviously, I'm not talking about the notice and the message and the letter that you have to do on your own. Questions would be sent to you and the format, but what you write will be your individual work. But otherwise, the rest of the work, the English literature, question answers, reference to context, all the grammar work, the book work, and everything, if there's anything that you have still not done, or maybe one exercise only, or maybe few sentences are left which you have not done till now, so for that you can ask in the group so that you can complete your work now, because now not much time is left. You already have your date sheet with you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so have you started preparing for your half yearlies?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so have I told you how your paper would be conducted? I think yesterday I told you a little bit.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so all of you need to learn how to make a PDF. Very important. Then make sure to buy a register, keep it separate for your half yearly exams only. And then remember, whatever paper, whatever exam is that, on each page you will write the page number, and along with the page number you will give in your details, your name, class, section, roll number, and obviously the subject also. So like if you have your English paper, then on each page that subject should be mentioned also, along with all your necessary details. Okay, and in case you encounter any problem, obviously uh, now it is not about submission and all like it was on Google Forms, so I don't think so you will have any such problem. But try to finish your paper in time so that you have enough time to click the photos, make the PDF and send it to me. And like I said, your PDF also should be named after you, your name, class, section, and roll number, and the subject for which you are sending your PDF. All these details should be on the PDF. All right, means rename your PDF and rename it according to your name, your class, section, roll number, and the subject, so that there is no confusion. Because you know, if there's any confusion, then you might lose your marks also. So uh, be prepared in advance and prepare everything well so that you don't waste time and you are able to finish off your paper well in time. All right, is that understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and in
Yes,
case
ma'am.
you have any confusion, you are always free to ask that, ma'am, what about this, how will this be done? So if there is any confusion regarding anything, ask. Okay, and don't just let it go on and on in your head. And in case of any confusion, take the clarity from the concerned teacher. And for diagrams and everything, you can ask your science teachers, geography teachers, and for maths you can have your clarity taken from Ma'am Shirley. Okay, so that there is no confusion on the final day. And regarding your GK and moral science, it will be on Google Forms. And so for that you'll be asked 25 questions of 2 marks each. So GK and moral science would be 1 hour paper, not 2 hours. The remaining papers would be of 2 hours, but your GK and moral science would be of 1 hour, and it will be on Google Forms. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, Mending Walls. Name of the poet. Hurry up.
Robert Frost.
Ma'am, Robert Lee Frost.
Robert Lee Frost.
Robert Lee Frost.
Okay. Tell me some of his famous poems.
Ma'am, The Butterfly and LG.
The My Butterfly, Analogy, and
Stopping by woods on a snowy evening.
okay, stopping by woods on a snowy evening.
The road.
Okay.
The road not taken.
All right. This poem, Mending Walls. What is the main theme? What is it talking about?
The barriers between the people.
Okay. Yes. Anyone else?
Good. Make good neighbors.
All right. Good fences make good neighbors. Anyone else? Okay. So let me ask you a few questions. Let me see how much you have prepared. Where was the wall?
Ma'am, the wall was between the
The wall was between the properties of.
poet and
The poet and his neighbor.
and his
Okay. Why did it want mending every spring? Okay.
it
Ashita?
wanted mending.
Yes, tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, it wanted mending every spring because the hot sun in summer and the frozen ground in winter caused gaps to form enough space to allow two people to pass alongside each other.
Okay. Will someone else tell me the same answer? Yes, anyone else?
It needed mending every spring.
Hmm.
It needed mending every spring because the hot sun in summers and the frozen ground in winters caused gaps in the wall, and some are even large enough to allow two people to pass through them together.
Okay, all right. Who initiated the fixing of the wall?
The poet
initiated the
the wall.
Okay. What is the neighbor's attitude? What is the neighbor's attitude towards mending the wall? What is the neighbor's attitude?
Ma'am, the neighbors thought
Necessary to have a wall between.
Okay, who is this with Amit? Who is this? Registered in the group here under Amit Mehrotra's name. Who is that?
Ma'am,
Okay, Rishit. Yes, are you able to hear me, Rishit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. What do you think? What is that neighbor's attitude towards mending the wall?
Ma'am, the neighbor thought it necessary to have a wall between them and hence in the favor of mending the wall.
Okay, give me some example.
He only says good fences make good neighbors. I see him there bringing a stone grasped firmly by the top in each hand. He again says good fences.
He again says, beta, we missed a little last section. He again
Good
says,
fences make good neighbors.
okay, all right. You told on your own? Are you people telling the answers on your own, not
Yes,
reading
ma'am.
out? No, I'm talking about all the
No, ma'am.
students. What about the rest of the students? Don't read out, all right? If you know, then you tell. If you don't know, simply tell me, ma'am, I don't know. All right? Fine, all of you? Fine?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's better. Okay, now tell me, what is the poet's attitude? Poet's attitude towards mending the wall. What is his attitude?
The poet does not think.
Okay, Kanishk. Kanishk? Yes, beta. Just be a little loud. My dear, be a little loud.
Ma'am, the poet think that it is not necessary to have a wall in between them,
Mhm.
and he was not in favor of wall in between them. Hence, he was wanted the wall where it is needed, not in between them.
Okay. Any example from the chapter to support your answer?
The poet has the poet has apple orchard and his neighbor has pine orchard, and
Hmm.
he says that my apple orchard will never grow across and eat them away.
Okay. Will someone else add to it? One more example from the chapter.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the poet
said-
can't understand that why the fences make good neighbors because the barriers are needed between the properties when they have cattle or they have cows, but
Okay.
here there were no cows.
Okay. Good. Good. Now, certain reference to context. I will read out the passage and then I will ask questions on it. No one has seen them made or heard them made, but at spring mending time we find them there. I let my neighbor know beyond the hill, and on a day we meet to walk the line and set the wall once again. What has no one made or heard them made?
no one had seen or heard
Seen
the
or heard
Okay,
them.
Anushka. Okay,
no one had seen or
Anushka.
heard the
Anushka.
Ma'am, no one had seen or heard the gaps in the wall being made.
Okay, all right. Where does the poet live? What do they do during springtime? Adya?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, the poet's neighbor lived beyond the hill
Hmm.
during the springtime. They mended the wall between their properties.
Okay. Do you think the poet is happy to set the wall once again? Stuti, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
The poet is not happy to set the wall between us once again, as he later on goes on to say that there are no cows to trespass and his apple trees will not grow across to eat his neighbor's pine cones. Therefore, his annual spring ritual of mending the wall is not necessary.
Okay, all right. So it was go, not grows, huh? Goes. Okay. Next, he is all pine and I am apple orchard. My apple trees will never get across and eat the cones under his pines. I tell him, who has a pine orchard and who has an apple orchard?
The poet hadn't.
Okay, wait. Abdul. Abdul? Are you able to hear me, Abdul? Okay, Ahad.
Yes.
हाँ बेटा. Who has a pine orchard and who has an apple orchard?
Ma'am, may I know?
Let Ahad. Ahad, do you know?
No, ma'am.
You haven't learned?
I'm learned, but I don't know this.
Okay. But learn properly. This is not good. This I have given for the second time for learning. Okay. So,
Yes.
Alvia. Are you there? Alvia? Anadi? What is wrong with you people? Okay, if you don't know, at least respond and say, ma'am, I don't know. Dhairya?
Poet apple and neighbor pineapple.
Pineapple? Or pine? Pine orchard. Not pineapple, pine. Okay. Why does the poet say that his apples would not eat his pine cones? Why does the poet say that his apples would not eat his pine cones? Okay, Navya. Navya is not here.
I know.
Yes, tell. Tell, beta.
Ma'am, the poet says that his apples would not eat his neighbor's pine cones to stress on the fact that there is no need for a wall between the two orchards.
Okay. Beta, what is your name? It is coming Sagar Agarwal.
Ma'am, Ambika Agrawal.
Okay, Ambika. Fine. So, what does the poet want his neighbor to do? Is the neighbor. Yes, Navya?
Ma'am, actually by mistake I clicked on the end call button and I left, ma'am. Actually I was clicking on the unmute button.
Okay, no problem. I know you will not do such a thing. Don't worry. Okay. What does the poet want his neighbor to do? Is the neighbor happy to oblige? What does the poet want his.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
the poet wants his neighbor to understand that there is no need of wall between
Hmm.
them, but his neighbor was not able to understand that he only says good fences make good neighbors.
Okay, alright. Uh, Something there is that doesn't love a wall, that sends the frozen ground swell under it and spills the upper boulders in the sun and makes gaps even two can pass abreast. Uh, what does the poet say something? Why does the poet say something there is instead of being clear about what is destroying the wall?
Ma'am,
Yes, Navya.
Ma'am, it is probably the elements of nature and the wear and tear that cause the destruction of the wall. So the poet does not pinpoint to actually what is destroying the wall.
Okay, okay, fine. In each hand, like an old stone savage armed, he moves in darkness, as it seems to me, not of woods only and the shade of trees. He will not go behind his father's saying. And he likes having thought of it so well, he says again, good fences make good neighbors. Who is like an old stone savage?
Ma'am, the poet's
The
neighbor
poet's
is like
neighbor
the
is like
savage
an
of the Stone Age.
Okay. Why does the poet use negative images like savage and darkness in these lines?
ma'am,
Yes, Ashita? Yes, Ashita? We are not able to hear you.
the poet uses
Huh.
negative images
Okay.
like this.
Continue.
The poet uses negative images. The poet uses negative images like savage and darkness to
Mm-hmm.
show that his neighbor's insistence on having the wall shows that he has not come out of the darkness of mistrust and the blind continuation of old age practices, regardless of the fact that whether they are required in the present scenario or not.
Okay, alright. Okay. Why do you think the poet's neighbor hides behind the tradition of his father saying, good fences make good neighbors?
Ma'am, the poet does not want to break away from the practices that were carried on by his father, while he does not want to appear as stagnating despite fleeting time by living in his father's shadow. So he just says that good fences make good neighbors.
Alright, so that is fine. And some of you have learnt and prepared very well. I am quite happy, quite pleased. But about the rest of you, those that have still not learnt or those that have learnt but still you are uh, not very sure of the answers, please learn everything properly and well so that when we meet again, we can have a proper revision. And uh, now we have one more class today, moral science, right?
Yes,
Yes,
Okay, so we'll meet there, and for tomorrow's history class we will do the remaining two answers that are left. And let's see, we will do some important dates also. Okay.
chapter 2 is
Yes, chapter 2 is there. You have some important dates, na? So I'll let you know from there itself. I have already given you, and from chapter 3 also, history chapter 3rd also we have few important dates. So that also we'll do. Okay, all of you. Okay, so that would be all for today, and what you have to learn. Uh, okay, third chapter I have not asked. So now when we meet again, we'll have the revision of the third chapter in literature. Is that okay? Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
all right. So
ma'am.
whichever timetable is being followed for the next week, we still don't know. But I'll let you in advance. Let you know in advance. And otherwise, whenever we meet, all of you prepare the third chapter in literature. Okay. All right. So that would be
Okay.
all for today. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.